Hello,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am good. What's
Oh,
your name?
my name is Irfan, and here he's my cousin. His name is Wasim.
Hello, nice meeting you. My name is Joyze.
Okay, Joyce. Yeah, nice name. So,
And mhm.
yeah, where are you from?
I'm living in Canada. How about
Okay,
you?
I'm in India and living in India.
Awesome. Yeah. What
Yeah.
would you like to talk about today?
Uh, Whatever you want.
I mean, you can tell me about yourselves. And yeah.
Okay, I think we should not waste our time in telling ourselves each other. A little
Yeah,
little bit introduction. Okay, so
yeah,
let me
no
tell you about
problem.
myself first. Okay, I am 19 years old. I have
19.
yeah, I completed my graduation in computer science and engineering, and now I'm passionate in sports. Okay, and right now I'm going to pursue my sports.
What
With
sport?
cricket. You know cricket.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, so I am fast bowler. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so I am going for that now. After
Yeah.
3 I have flight from here, from north to the south. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
And why do you want to learn English? Or yeah.
Actually, I don't want to learn English. I want to meet some new people.
Oh,
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
And yeah, what other sports do you like?
I like football,
Uh-huh.
badminton. Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Are you watching the Olympics right now?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm,
awesome.
I'm I'm watching only highlights because
Yeah, me too. Me too. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
okay, tell me about yourself.
I am 21, so I'm older. um, I am still in school, so I'm still in my third year university, and I am also I like sports. I like to play floor hockey. Do you know hockey?
Yeah, hockey is
Yeah, but
Indian game, okay. And India won from New Zealand, and they got, I think, silver. Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
nice.
silver. Yeah. So actually, hockey is invented in India.
Nice. Oh, I see. I see. And it's a really nice sport. So
Yeah,
it's a really what do you call this?
yeah.
Fun sport. And basketball,
Oh,
I like to watch basketball, but I don't know how to play. Like,
but
yeah.
I used to play once in my college, but not with boys, with girls because they were, because they were not much stronger. So I played with them. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And I think I really like watching because it's very competitive.
So
Fans are
you,
very.
you play guitar?
Yes, I do.
Can you play
Yeah.
right?
What do you mean? I'm not really good.
No, just carry on, dude.
You play guitar?
I played sometime a little bit.
Really?
Yeah,
Whoa.
because my brother brought it at home, and yeah, I did it
Where
a little
where
bit.
did you learn? Where did you learn?
I didn't learn anything, but I just did.
Really? I
Yeah.
learned I learned a little bit from YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Yeah, it's
That's
completely
all.
without any, offline classes. Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
And yeah, I'm not really good at it, so no, I won't.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not forcing
Yeah,
you.
but yeah, I like music. I like listening to music.
Mhm.
Do you also like?
Yeah, I like BTS.
Yes, I
Okay.
like it too. I like
I
BTS
like
too.
everyone. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
do,
Marshmallow. I
yeah,
like Selena Gomez, Justin
yeah,
Bieber, Ariana Grande.
yes,
What else I can say? Blackpink.
yes, yeah.
You look
K-pop.
you look like one of the girl from Blackpink.
Really? Oh, that's very very nice of you. I
So,
like K-pop too.
mhm. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
and
actually,
we,
okay. So you are doing part-time work here?
yeah, I guess so. But I will be back to full-time school on September. So
Wow.
like, yeah, I have to. This is kind of like a fun thing for summer for me. And
It's fun for you, but I think it's difficult. Like it's sort of work.
yeah, it is. That's
Right?
true.
So that's
That's
really nice. So you are earning money by yourself for you,
like which one?
like whatever you are spending in the whole month, you are spending from your pocket, from your parents, or from where?
Like tuition? Is that what you're saying?
So
Or
tuition or eating, whatever.
I'm trying to, save up, but um this year I'm going to take a loan for my school
Okay.
because it's really hard, corona, and there's not much jobs that I can take. So, yeah,
So
I'm going on a loan.
you are staying with your parents.
Yes. Mhm.
Mhm.
I I live with the whole family.
Oh, that's
The
great.
whole
That's
family.
great, actually.
Yeah.
So actually, they are supporting you in like eating and everything. If you are going to
Yes.
college, they give you food, so that will be
I'm
more easy.
Yeah, I'm thankful that I have that because it's hard to just live alone, and
Okay.
actually, yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have boyfriend?
Huh? I am currently, yes. I am currently. It's like
It's necessary.
friend thing, friend. Yeah.
I know. Do you use Instagram?
I haven't been online. I haven't been online.
Never.
Yeah.
So,
YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, I like watching on YouTube, so I'm only online there. Yeah.
so you don't have any social media?
I mean, I do, but I haven't been online.
Oh, that's great. Actually, it's so boring. It's like I don't know what to say, disturbing your mind and everything,
Yeah.
distracting from everything. So I'm also going to stop my all the social medias, Instagram and Facebook, and
Really?
yeah, because I do it accordingly when I go for my work. I
Yeah.
just completely forget it. But when
Yeah.
I'm at home, then I use it.
I see, I see. And do you like what's the most favorite social media?
My okay,
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah, me too. I learned a lot of things on YouTube.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. So this is my cousin. You can talk to him for some time.
Okay, hello. Yeah, I see you.
Hello.
Hi. And
Hello.
yeah, what did you I didn't see. I didn't hear you.
He said hi.
Oh, okay.
He-
Yeah.
he-
Hi.
he-
Nice
He's
meeting you.
weak in English. Okay. So he said, "You just support me, and I will talk to that teacher." Yeah.
Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah. How are you?
Fine. Fine, fine.
And how old are you?
17. 17.
17. I see. And that is in high school, right?
Yeah. Now he is in college. College.
Oh, okay. Nice.
He's
And
very
what are you?
intelligent guy. Okay, let me tell you about him. He's intelligent guy. He's business minded guy,
Yeah.
okay? And he is model too. He has a lot of good photos on Instagram.
Nice.
Yeah, he has very
Wow.
good hairstyle and very good
Nice.
mustache. Everything.
Yes, that's awesome. Model.
You
I
know, you know why he came here today? Because my elder brother, he is going for his work in Italy. He's working with international company, so he came here to give him some dressing senses and all.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's great in that. He's creative. He's a great guy.
That's
So
great. That's
let's
amazing.
let's appreciate him. Okay, you're a great guy.
Yes.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best and
Thank
take
you.
care.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was nice meeting you both. Have
Hi.
a nice
Thank you.
day.
Okay, bye bye.